Tomcat rat snap traps can be easily set and allow for easy disposal. The rat snap trap has a removable cup, so baiting can also be done prior to setting the trap. After baiting, open the trap by pinching like opening a clothespin until you hear a click to indicate it is locked into place. Place rat traps perpendicular to walls or other objects, with the teeth of the trap facing the wall. Rodents coming from either direction will step on the trigger, which releases the trap. To trap roof rats, attach snap traps to pipes, poles, rafters, and other hard-to-reach places where they travel. Don't forget about attics in parts of the country where roof rats are prevalent. Rat snap traps allow for disposal without touching the rat. Tomcat rat snap traps has a grab tab for easy disposal. For easy cleanup, dispose of the trap and the rodent together. If you would prefer to reuse the trap, pinch the trap open and drop the dead rodent in the trash. Wooden traps are a time-tested, quick, and effective solution for capturing rodents. Apply an attractant to the metal bait trigger. Position the pin away from the trap and carefully pull the spring-loaded U-shaped metal bar back to the opposite end and hold the bar firmly with one hand. With the other hand, place the metal pin over the U-shaped bar and insert the curved end of the pin into the left slot of the bait trigger. Carefully position the trap without releasing it. Place the baited end of the trap flush against a wall. Once a rodent steps on the trigger, the pin releases and the U-shaped bar snaps back, killing it. To dispose of a trapped rodent, wear disposable gloves. For easy removal, throw the trap and the dead rodent into the trash together. Part of the Tomcat family of products.
The Victor electronic mouse trap is the ultimate in rodent control. It works by delivering a humane high-voltage shock to eliminate mice that enter the chamber. Convenient LED light alerts let you know when there's a catch or when the batteries are low. The sleek design features a removable kill chamber and built-in bait cup to ensure proper baiting every time. You can also pair your trap with disposable refill chambers for an even easier no-touch, no-see cleanup. Follow these steps to get started. Make sure the trap is turned off. Then insert 4 AA batteries. Open the kill chamber door to bait the trap. Apply a small amount of high-protein bait, such as peanut butter in the bait cup. To avoid transferring your scent to the trap, use a toothpick or utensil to apply the bait. Close the kill chamber door and power the trap on. The green light will flash and the trap will buzz to show it's working. Place the trap along a wall, making sure that the side with the entrance is against the baseboard. Once you've made a catch, the green light will flash again. To dispose of mice, turn the trap off and disconnect the kill chamber. Open the lid and empty it into the trash. If using refills, discard the entire chamber into the trash and attach a new one to the trap. With the Victor electronic mouse trap, you can win the never-ending battle against rodents.
Release the armbar from the staple. Move the armbar to the back of the trap so it hangs over the back of the trap. Apply a small amount of peanut butter or anything high in protein like chocolate or hazelnut spread to the metal pedal on the trap as shown. Be sure to use a Q-tip, toothpick, or another tool to bait so your scent is not transferred onto the trap. Pull the kill bar back and hold it in place with your thumb. Take the armbar over the kill bar and latch the end of the armbar on the metal pedal as shown. Place the trap where you've seen signs of rodent activity or along the wall where rodents primarily travel. The end of the trap where the metal pedal is baited should be placed flush against the
Tomcat glue traps can be used standalone or as part of a total system for rodent control alongside baits and mechanical traps. Tomcat glue traps come ready to use and provide the perfect combination of immediate grip and stretchable hold. Simply open the package, separate the traps, and place. While you should use any rodent control solution in low-traffic areas of the home, glue traps are pesticide-free and do not snap on hands and paws. so they can be placed in a wider variety of locations. Position traps along active rodent runways, such as along walls, under large appliances, in cupboards, or other areas where rodents travel. Be sure to fit the glue trap flush against a wall where rodents will run over and stick to it. Avoid placing traps in corners indoors. Since glue traps hold the mouse in place to show evidence, you can utilize glue traps to track where rodents are traveling. If you don't catch a mouse within 2 days, move the trap to another spot. After use, dispose of the trap and captured rodent or insects in the trash. In addition to capturing mice, Tomcat glue traps of all varieties also trap insects such as spiders, roaches, or even scorpions.
Traditional mouse snap trap with an expanded trigger. First, bait the trap with food, cotton, or string, which is used for nesting. Pull the snap bar over. Insert the balance bar into the trigger. Rodents run along walls, so place the trap against the wall. More placements get better results. Remember, rodents run along walls, so always put the tray against the wall. Remember to keep out of reach of pets and children.